Okay, so today I'd like to show you the Water Dynamix mineral injection system. This system comes standard on most all our water treatment systems, or you could buy the mineral injection system separately and retrofit it to your existing water treatment system. This mineral injection system is patented and is in use in water treatment, hydroponics, the beverage industry, and convenience stores. The system's gallons per minute injection can be scaled up or scaled down to meet your applications. The TDS rate is usually plus or minus 8 TDS. We have built custom systems that can run a tighter TDS of plus or minus 2. The system works completely off AI. It will adjust for your water quality, your flow rates. The TDS will work off a low TDS and high TDS. Most all injection systems in the industry right now will just work off a high TDS and one set RPM. Our RPM is variable and will change depending on your water's quality. Our injection system can also inject multiple injections at one time in multiple minerals or chemicals, fertilizers, etc. Alright, let's go ahead and get started and I will show you some baselines. So right now my supply water on this system will be line 1. Our supply water is at 170 TDS. In my holding tank is 73.8. And down here, this is my mixing TDS sensor, and right now my TDS is 27. You might be saying, why is it pretty high right now? The reason why is because I am right now putting calcium in line to bring my TDS up a little bit, and it is also going through a pH balance. Alright, so now let's adjust our TDS, and for today we are going to use potassium to inject into the water. Right now you can see the TDS set point is at 0, so my baseline is 23 TDS. Let's go ahead and change that to 100 TDS. You can see right there I have 100, and the TDS set point is now at 100. We will scroll down, and right now it will take a little bit longer because the pump will have to pump the mineral up the line and into the tank and also balance it out. There's no adjusting. The system does it all on its own using AI. It'll usually take it 15 to 30 seconds. And you can see it working now. It's trying to find its rate it's at. Why it's doing this, I will show you guys. Our gallons per minute is a little bit above 1 gallon per minute right now. We're looking at the flow meter on the right hand side. And if you see now, the TDS injection is working right at 100 TDS. You can adjust this in real time, and I will show you that now. We'll let this run a few more seconds actually, just so everyone can see it runs plus or minus 8 pretty easy. Alrighty, so let's change this TDS to 150. That is what all you coffee lovers like. Okay, so TDS injection, my set point is now at 150. And just so everyone can see, my incoming supply line is still 170. And the TDS injection is changing. Now that all my mineral is in my line, you can see it acts a whole lot faster. And it is now set at 150. Again, this RPM is variable, so the RPM is constantly changing to keep your TDS right. There is no set RPM. And you can also now change your TDS lower if you wanted to. We will set our TDS to 125. So TDS is at 125. And you can see the TDS injection is bringing it down to 125. We tried to make this system as easy as possible for all end users. If you have any questions on this system or would like to purchase one of our systems, please go to www.waterdynamix.net. and all our contact information will be there. Also more information as well.